Now, if you want to improve your life and learn relevant high income skills for yourself and make money for yourself this year, there was a new platform that was just launched called uskills. Now, this platform was launched for the main purpose of empowering you with high income digital skills and also helping you to make more money at the side. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about this platform and how you can get started. So let's go. So hey guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you everything about uskills, like everything you need to know about uskills, the platform, the earning fees, how you can get started, all the information you got to know. And I'm going to be walking you through the platform A to Z, and you're going to be seeing everything for yourself, right? We're going to be having a full stack tutorial about uskills and what is in for you and how you can get started. Now, this is the platform and this is about the uskills. As you can see, uskills is a cutting edge digital platform brand dedicated to empowering individuals with knowledge and abilities to thrive in digital age, right? This is what the platform is all about, and this is their mission. All right, at uskills, our mission is to bridge the gap, the digital skills gap, equipping individual with tools they need to succeed in the modern workforce, right? So this is just the platform, and this is a walkthrough on how you can sell your ebook and upload your ebook on the platform, right? They are telling you sign up an account and all of that. This platform, one of the major purposes was funded is for digital skills gap, right? Now you can explore their excellent digital skills from us. Now you can learn high digital skills. Now these are the high income digital skills you can learn: website development, right? Mobile app development, copywriting, graphic design, IG and Facebook ads, mini importation, and all of that. I'm going to be taking you through into my dashboard right now, showing you my account, and I'm going to be breaking the earnings and now you can make money from this platform and the any fees and the any structure for you. So let's go. So guys, we are inside my dashboard right now and I'm going to be breaking the sales earnings for you, right? I'm going to be breaking it down for you without leaving any stone unturned. As you can see right now, this is the current package. Let me start from the top so that you can understand fully what this platform is all about. My current package plan is sales, right? As you can see right there, and you can see this is my earning balance, my opposed earning, right? Ebook says, ebook publish, right? Total earning and paid earning. Let me explain these things to you. Now, the first thing you are seeing here is what we call the earning balance. Earning balance is money you made by partnering with this platform, by inviting people to join this platform, right? That's the earning balance, all right? That's the earning balance. The next you are seeing right here is what we call the opposed earning. Now, the opposed earning is the money you make by liking and commenting and doing simple social media jobs like liking posts, commenting, retweeting, those kind of stuff, right? That's what the opposite is all about. Now, the ebook says is how much you have made by selling ebooks or selling other people's product on this platform. And the ebook published you are seeing right here is how many ebooks and how many products you have published on the platform. Total earnings is your earnings, right? And the paid earnings we are seeing right here is what they have paid you, right? As you can see, it's $0 because I just got started with this very platform, all right? And this right here is what we call the rank, and as you can see, it's a beginner rank, right? Because a new account, right? And this is what we call sales incentive. Sales incentive is how much they reward. This is like rewards for people partnering with them on the platform. As you can see, 10 ref you have a washing machine, 300 reps you have a laptop or a PS4, 500 reps you have iPhone 12 Pro Max or Samsung 22 Plus Ultra, right? Then on 1000 ref you have iPhone 14 Pro Max or PS5. Now, this is just a walkthrough of the platform. As you can see, these are the skills you can learn on this platform. This is website development, mobile app. These skills you can unlock there with just $40, and these $40 are from your upost earning, right? Upost earning are earnings you make by liking TikTok posts, of which you are equivalent to make over $1.40 or more every single day. Now, this is not your money. This is money you made by liking TikTok and Instagram posts, right? Mobile app development, copywriting, graphic design, IG and Facebook ads, mini importation, forex, UI UX design, YouTube monetization, freelancing. These are what you make, and these are my recent activities on the platform. They are updating me and they are following me up. And these are ebooks on the platforms you can say. This is $10. This is an ebook also, all right? $10, $45, right? This is an ebook, $20, ebook $10, and this is just the walkthrough of the dashboard. Now, if you check over at this top bottom right here, if you check over at this top left corner right here, you're going to be seeing a 3 dash right there. Once you click on it, you're going to be having access to the hamburger icon of this very platform. This is the dashboard, as you can see, and this is the where you have your sales incentive, and this is where you have your bank account of where you are going to place your withdrawal. You can change password right here. If you are from other country apart from Nigeria, you can place your foreign withdrawal and they are going to pay you your dollar into your local bank account. All right, this is your where you can upload your ebooks, where you can upload your services, like your product, your services you are offering. Now if you have a skills on this platform, you can promote your skills and people can patronize what you do, and you can also reach more audience. And this is your upost earning, where you can have access to daily tasks, daily social media tasks you can do, and you can make $1.40 from it. And you can easily convert your upost earning to earn time. This upost earning are earnings you make by liking TikTok and Instagram posts. Now you can just convert it to daily airtime you can be using to recharge your phone instead of buying airtime directly from your bank. You can use that money right here to be recharging your phone. That way you have nothing to lose, right? And you can convert your currency right here, and you can also apply for your upost withdrawal, which is this money you are making by liking posts and all of that. And this is your sales withdrawal, and this is your ebook withdrawal. If you upload ebooks on the platform and people buy your ebook, this is where you can place a withdrawal, and this is where you can access your withdrawal history at the last over there. So this is just like a breakdown of this platform and the dashboard. Now you can come over to this very place to see the frequently asked question about this platform. How can you become a user? All right, to become a user on this platform is very simple. All you have to do is to register with a one-time registration fee of 4,500, which is equivalent to around $9 if you are outside Nigeria. But if you are from Nigeria, it's just a one-time fee of 4,500, of which you are going to be having $6 registration bonus, right? $6 registration bonus upon sign up, and this money can also be withdrawn into your account, and you can use this money also to buy airtime on the platform, and you can also withdraw it, and you can also use this money to enroll for any of these high income skills I mentioned on this platform, right? This is how you can become a user. Do I need to pay any other fee apart from the registration fee? And as you can see right here, they say no, we only require the initial registration fee, and after that there is no additional cost or charges attached, as the registration fee grants you access to all the features on uskills. Is uskills a Ponzi? Access it, right? uskills does not associate himself with any form of illegal activities, neither do they collect investment and promise low or high interest on them. Since it's a registered business, it frowns at any form of investment stuff, right? Are the tutors of the skills class reliable? As you can see, all tutors of skills classes have more than 2 years experience in their various field, and you can rest assured to learn quality skills from them. For further inquiries, kindly contact the help desk. Now this is just like a full feature of how the platform works and how you can get started. Now to get started right now, just click on the link in the description of this video or in the comment section to have a direct talk with me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to be walking you through how you can get started. I'm going to be showing you how you can make 20k weekly, at least 20k weekly as a beginner from this very platform. This platform is very fresh. It was launched September 1st, right? And it's very fresh, right? I will advise you right now to jump on it. If you are seeing this video right now, don't delay. We jump on this right now. It's just a one-time registration fee of 4,500, and I'm going to be helping the first 5 persons from this very video right here pay 10% off your fee. I'm going to be paying 10% off your registration fee if you are the first 5 persons to message me using the link in the description or getting across to me on WhatsApp. Just the first 5 person, and I'm going to be helping you get started, paying part of it for you. So with that said, I'm going to be seeing you inside. Bye for now.